From the Types option, SYPE Architecture makes it possible to design windows, doors, and skylights with complete freedom. In this tutorial, we're going to create a window, but the process is the same for all other types of carpentry. To edit a new window, go to the Window Shape section and select the Window Editor option. To access the editor, we click on the pencil icon, which will open a pop-up window where we can start designing. In the Window Editor interface, the main toolbar is divided into the Sketch and Carpentry groups, following the working logic of SYPE Architecture, which combines the flexibility of sketch drawing with architectural features. In the Sketch group, the tools are divided into two sections. On one side, we find the options for drawing the sketch design using lines and arcs, among others. On the other side, we have the editing tools, which allow us to move, rotate, offset, or group elements. For this example, we will start by creating a sketch of the window. In this case, we are designing a window with blinds, 2 tilt and turn windows, and 1 fixed window. We use the quadrilateral feature to create a rectangle, activating orthogonality and configuring the dimensions in the Properties section. Next, using the Offset option, we create the perimeter frame, activating the Allows for Dimensions to be defined upon entering each element feature. We select the sketch surface and set an offset of 5 cm. Then, we divide the leaf frames using the Lines feature. Finally, we draw the panel frames using the Offset feature again. Once the sketch has been created, the options in the Carpentry group can be used to add the characteristic elements of each type, windows, doors, or skylights, based on the sketch design. The Openings feature allows us to define the perimeter of the carpentry by selecting the lines in the sketch. We select all the lines that form the window opening and confirm the action with the right mouse button. When confirmed, the selected lines will be displayed in red, representing the perimeter of the opening. Next, using the Leaves option, we can choose between different types of openings, such as fixed, casement, sliding, tilt and turn, or folding. Once the type has been selected, we mark the lines that form the leaves and confirm with the right mouse button. The lines will be displayed in blue. We have to repeat this action for each of the window leaves. In addition, from the Leaves section, we can edit and delete each leaf individually. After defining the openings and leaves, we use the Assign Element option to establish the feature of each surface in the sketch. These elements include opening frames, leaf frames, glass, blind boxes, windowsills, and decoration elements. Elements are entered on sketch surfaces, which are created automatically when drawing closed polygons. If a surface has not been created, it may be because the polygon is not closed correctly, has been deleted by mistake, or the face is inverted. Before entering the elements, we must ensure that the finishes are configured so that we can assign the corresponding finish to each element. We create one finish for the glass and another for the carpentry. We start with the frame of the opening, indicating its thickness, finish, and adjustment, and select the sketch surface. We repeat this method for each of the elements. To finish adding elements, from Accessory, we add an opening handle to the window. From the options available in the Leaves tab, we can use Show Hide Carpentry. The program also has an option to configure the display of leaves and openings, allowing us to hide the red lines of the openings and the blue lines of the leaves. In the Edit menu, we can delete, duplicate, move, or modify the elements entered in the Carpentry group. These tools are specific to carpentry elements and should not be confused with the editing tools in the Sketch group, as they work independently. After accepting the changes, we can view the element in 3D. If we click Accept again, we see that we have created a new type of window. To insert the window into a wall, we use the Windows option included in Openings. We choose the type of window created, select the wall, define the opening with the arrows, and finally, adjust the alignment with reference points. The large number and variety of types that we can create make the design of carpentry in SIPE architecture an intuitive and precise process, which allows it to be adapted to the needs of each project. With these tools, designers can customize every detail and optimize their creations.